morning, everybody. Today, I want to speak on ORISA AJE OLOKUN. What is AJE OLOKUN? AJE OLOKUN is the only true form of AJE that ever existed. She is the purest form of AJE. There are so many AJE, and as a matter of fact, we have more than 200 AJE. There are some AJE that live in the ground, earth. There are some AJE that live in the tree. There are some AJE that live within banana. And there are some AJE that live inside water. Out of all these AJE Olokun is the most purest. The true AJE. Why? Because when you feed AJE Olokun will never ask you for anything in return. When you feed AJE Olokun, she will not force you into covenant. When you feed other AJE, you'll be paying covenant dues every 3 months, every 6 months, every year, or 2 years or 3 years, depending on the AJE. And that is why AJE Olokun is the purest, is the only true source of AJE. When we sleep and we dream of seeing money, somebody gave us money, we dream we are seeing money. It is our bad mindset that anytime we dream and we see money, we are going to be poor. No. What this dream is actually telling you is that you should go and feed ORISA AJE Olokun. Go and feed ORISA AJE Olokun. AJE Olokun son ní Adé, the one and true form of AJE. When you are blessed in the spiritual realm, it is the duty of AJE Olokun to bring that blessing into reality. AJE Olokun is the only spiritual currency that they spend in the spirit realm. And that is why in the spirit realm, the currency they spend is cowrie. They spend is AJE Olokun. AJE Olokun is everywhere. But today, look at this world. Nigeria, for instance, the people that are having the true AJE Olokun are not even up to 500. Everybody claims to have AJE. Yes, I have explained that we have various AJE. We have more than 200 ORISA AJE. But we have only one AJE Olokun. AJE Olokun has the largest reservoir of AJE. She is the manufacturer of AJE, while other AJE goes to her to subscribe. Because AJE Olokun is the only true form of AJE. I remain Ajenla. Of course, look at my name, Ajenla. This name was given to me by Olokun, my godfather. Olokun is the father of AJE. I don't want to tell all these stories that you people are already familiar with. But I'm telling you that whenever they feed any other Orisha for you, don't forget to feed ORISA AJE. Because AJE is the only Orisha that will make that wealth to come into reality. I have Google searched the internet, YouTube, Facebook, IG, TikTok, looking for AJE. All I see is people feeding AJE with eggs. AJE Olokun, son ní Adé, does not eat egg. I don't know which other AJE that eats egg, but AJE Olokun that I know. You know, me and Baba Osha, I'm very close to this Orisha. She does not eat egg, though. So if they have been feeding AJE for you and they are using egg, just know at the back of your mind that this is not AJE Olokun. I can never tell you, I can never expose what AJE Olokun ate. But everybody knows that part of the key ingredient in feeding AJE is ẹran ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. So I remain myself Ajenla, the Baba of all the Orisha.